I recommend that you get your tires balanced and rotated and at least have an alignment inspection done when we do the balance and rotate on your tires about every oil change. Your car needs an alignment when you see some tire wear or you notice a drift or a pull while you're driving down the road, especially like some edge wear on the tires is a good indicator. You need to get it in and get it checked for an alignment. We offer a lifetime alignment service. So if you have a lifetime alignment service with us at your oil change intervals, we can do an alignment recheck on them and make sure those safety systems that are on your car are calibrated and working properly so that you're the safest driving down the road. But if you hold your steering wheel straight, the car should absolutely go straight. If it goes left or right, you have an issue, bring it in, we'll get it checked. A balance is a felt issue, like if you have a vibration or something like that. You can feel it in the floorboard, you can feel it in the seat, the steering wheel. Those kinds of things tell us what tires are out of balance. Potholes can cause your tires to go out of balance. They can throw a weight, knock a weight off if you hit them too hard. If your tire's imbalanced, aside from like the vibration and stuff that you can get, you can have premature wear in your tires. Premature wear of tires can cause wet weather traction issues or just traction issues in general. Nobody wants to slide off the road. We pull the car in, once we rack it, get it up in the air, we look at the tires to make sure that there's still plenty of life in them that we can balance them. We take the wheel off, we take it over our balancer and put it on our machine, and the machine tells us kind of where we need to put weight, how much weight we need to put on it to get you riding newer or longer. A lot of times, just based off the symptoms that you described, coming into the store, we can tell if you kind of have a balance issue or an alignment issue. Making sure we keep up on the balance and rotations of the tires absolutely prolongs the life of the tire. Tires are expensive. We want to make them last as long as they can.